Hi guys, so I told you that I would be coming up with my second part. So in this I would be explaining everything about the astronomical sign. So we are left with the earth sign, the air sign and the water sign. Okay, in this I would be explaining each zodiac sign straight, which you can know in further when I will do the reading about it, about like through the cards. When I'll get through you will understand that how it is related through the zodiac signs. Okay, so when we talk about the earth sign, so earth sign are very stable and practical in nature. Like when we talk about Taurus, so Taurus are very reliable and patient in nature. When you will see them, you will understand with their vibe, with their energy. They are very loyal in nature. When we talk about the Virgo, I did not explain the symbol. So Taurus is the symbol of bull and Virgo is the symbol of the Virgin. Okay, now Virgo people are basically very oriented, practical. Like they really want to take a precise decision. They are very compassionate. Okay, then when you talk about the Capricorn are the sea sage. They are very ambitious. They really want to have a kind of goal in their life where they just want to achieve everything. Okay, so when we talk about the air sign, air sign are more intellectual and social and communicative. Like let's take first Gemini. Gemini is the air sign. Symbol is the twins. So they have that nature, like social butterfly. They want everyone's attention. They want to be feel like I'm top of the world. And but they have a quality that no one's like. That is a dual nature. Like they are someone who will just be not sure to take any decision at the right time and may support this I would say bad person or person whom you don't like. And there can be a situation where they will feel that where you will feel that they are acting as dual. Like he's my friend or she's my friend, why she or he is taking their side. It's because they want to be center of attraction. They want to be loved by everyone. But sometimes this is how Gemini get into a fight frequently. Okay, now let's talk about the Libra. It is also an air sign, which is a symbol of the scales. They are very charming. They are very diplomatic. They are free-minded, like kind of enthusiastic. Okay, they seek harmony, balance and everything. They want to keep their life sorted with no hashtag dramas. And they have that kind of sense of justice. Something bad is happening, they will be the first one to just go and fight for it, like really. Okay, but they can be very indecisive. Like they will not be able to take any decisions in a very right moment. Like they will always regret after some time that, oh, I must have did this, I must have did that. So these kind of things just go into the mind of Libra people. When we talk about Aquarius, okay, they are water bearer. Like when we talk about the traits about it, it's like they are very independent, very innovative, and they are like they are full of humanitarian. Like they have that excess humanity for the people. Like when I think about it, I feel like Aquarius people are those people who are so open-minded. Like they can accept anything, but there is something which you won't like about it, or they can be told as emotionally detached. Like when you are in a relationship with someone, Aquarius can be someone who can be emotionally detached. Okay, like they won't be able to pick up your emotions because they are so drained sometimes, or they become drained at a certain point. So that could be a point. I would say it's not good for them because it can ruin a lot of relationships. So yeah. Now when we focus about the water signs, so water signs are like in cards also, I'll tell you afterwards, but in cards also there are signs that we consider through astronomical, that I will do the reading and then I will let you know. So in that, water is a sign of emotions, okay? It is the sign of intuition, it is the sign of empathetic, okay? So when we talk about the water sign, so it comes like Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, okay? So when we talk about the Cancer, symbol is the crab. They are very nurturing, like basically the traits of the Cancer are very nurturing, they are very protective. They just want to make sure that their loved ones are very safe and secure. And these kind of people get so connected with a particular person or with a particular thing. Like, you won't believe, they can even connected by a certain kind of book. Like, they can also get connected by like kind of nature or favorite toys. It could be anything, okay? And they have that, some people are made for values and all. So these person you will find have that trait that they value their tradition a lot, or they are very spiritual in nature. But very good thing about, and I mean advantage and disadvantage, like they can be very emotional, and sometimes people can take this advantage as a disadvantage and can use their feelings. So for Cancer people, I'm pretty sure you should know how to control your emotions and do not get overly sensitive or overly emotional to anyone, okay? Now when we talk about the Scorpio is the symbol of scorpion, and they are very passionate, intense. They have that sexual intensity a lot, okay? But they are very loyal. If you have a partner which has the zodiac sign of Scorpio, you would see that they are very loyal to you. They are very passionate towards you, and they, even if you get bored after some time with Scorpio people, they will make sure to bring that magic, okay? Because they have that magnetic presence of aura that will just attract you again and again, okay? But sometimes, again, a default, sometimes it's very hard to cooperate with Scorpio. Like, you won't even believe, it's sometimes so hard to read what's going on Scorpio's mind. Yeah, that could be. When we talk about the Pisces, so Pisces is a symbol of fish. They are very compassionate, creative and intuitive, like basically intuitive, point to be remembered. So if any one of you is dating someone who is of Pisces, my bad, Pisces, but they can be really good at showing emotions. Like, they will show their emotions at the top of their lungs. Like, if they're feeling bad, they will show it. And I am feeling really bad about it. You just fix your attitude. And they have that vivid imagination in their mind and a strong sense of empathy. Like, if you're not feeling like good, they would just make sure to feel the same way how you are feeling, so that you can feel attached to that particular person. But again, default, they can be sometimes escapist. Sometimes they can run from their own problems, and but will fix your problem, but will run from their problem, and that could be a default, okay? So I think I have clarified everything now, and I will again meet you. Basically, I will start the reading soon, and anyone who is interested to connect through me, they can connect through Instagram, as well as I'll put my number like in the YouTube, so that you can connect through me, and then we can have one-to-one session. So yeah, okay, thank you, and thank you so much.